Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply go ahead and transfer money from your PayPal to Gcash. It's really simple and easy. First of all, you have to any browser. I'm going for Google Chrome here. And when you are here, simply search for this Gcash send money. So the thing is that you can even access it from your app as well. Once you have downloaded yourself the particular app, and here in this section, tap on these three bars. And here in this section you can simply go ahead. For the matter, what you have to do is you can simply go ahead and first access Gcash, and in the home base section you can find this cash in option. Go ahead and tap on this cash in option, and then it will simply show you this global partnership, partners and remittance, including the PayPal as one of the option. Once you tap on PayPal, you have to enter the cash in amount, which will have to be minimum PHP of 500. Then tap next. After that, you are going to confirm the amount for cash in, and that way you will simply be able to transfer money from PayPal to Gcash. I hope you found this video helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.